Seventh graders, this is to help you with question 6 on CR 26. It says to solve negative 3x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 5. So I'm going to go ahead and solve this inequality. First thing I'm going to do is move this 4 over to the right-hand side of the inequality, so all my constants, all my numbers without x's attached, are together over here on the right-hand side of the inequality. So how do I undo minus 4? Well, if I add 4 to the left-hand side of the inequality symbol, those will zero out. But if I'm adding 4 to the left-hand side of the inequality symbol, I must also add 4 to the right-hand side of the inequality symbol. Negative 4 plus 4, those zero out. So on the left-hand side of the inequality symbol, I just have negative 3x. Then I have greater than or equal to 5 plus 4 is 9. So now, to get my coefficient of x to be 1, in our very last step, I say I have negative 3 times x. How do I undo that multiplication? I undo that multiplication with division. As 7th graders, we use a fraction bar to represent division. To get a coefficient of 1 in front of x, I'll have to divide the left-hand side of the inequality symbol by negative 3. Therefore, I must divide the right-hand side of the inequality symbol by negative 3. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 3 divided by 3, fancy form of 1. 1 times x is just x. When I divide by a negative, I must reverse inequality symbol. So let me just say up here, divide. Instead of the negative symbol, I'll just write negative. When you divide by a negative, you must reverse the inequality symbol. So now instead of greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. And then 9 divided by negative 3. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. 9 divided by 3 is 3. X must be less than or equal to negative 3. They put this here for those students who forget to reverse their inequality symbol when dividing by a negative. And they put this here in case you accidentally didn't realize you had to take 9 divided by negative 3. Negative divided by a positive would be a negative. So I can see where they got those two answers from. Oh, and the 12 would be if you didn't realize you undid multiplication with division. If you thought you could add 3 to both sides. Oh, those are some good answer choices. All right. That's how you go about it.